Good morning, students. Yesterday we have told you about tenses. Before starting the new topic of tenses, I will give you some view of yesterday's class. Tenses normally tells us about the time of a sentence when the work has taken place and how much work has took place at the moment of the time. Status of work. Time. We can divide the time into three parts: time, present time, past time, future time. And in the same way, the work which is going at the moment is in four situations: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Indefinite means we can't tell anybody about the situation of the work, whether it is complete or started or not, we can't tell. In continuous, it is going on at that moment. Perfect means it is totally finished, and perfect continuous, some part is remaining and some part is complete. So before starting the new topic of the tense present indefinite, see the sentence. C does not understand tenses properly. Can you tell me which tense it is? After reading the sentence, can you tell me, anybody of you, that which tense is in this sentence? So to check the tense, it is very easy. We have to know the knowledge of helping verb. So in present tense, we must know about the helping verb. Which helping verbs are used in present tense? Do, does, is, am, are, has, have. If we know about these helping verbs, we can easily find the tense of the sentence. See, in this sentence, we find here does. So, does shows that it is the tense that is called present tense. How can we speak about the past tense? So, the helping verb of past tense is did, was, were, had. It's for past tense, to tell about past time. And to tell about future time, we have will and shall. Will, shall, have. So if we keep these things into our mind, we can easily find which tense is in the sentence. We can easily find that thing. Now see the sentences written here in Hindi. मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ. After reading this sentence in Hindi, whom suggests that it is in present tense. पिताजी साहसी हैं सजेस्ट इट्स इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. कुत्ते भौंकते हैं सजेस्ट सेम थिंग एंड वह पत्र लिखता है सेम थिंग. सो आफ्टर सीइंग द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस whom है, we can easily say it's in present tense. So first we will read present indefinite. After seeing this sentence, this is the subject which English is I. The English of whom is am. And vidyarthi, student. See, after seeing this, am is the helping verb which I have told you earlier. Second sentence, the translation is father is brave. Third, dog bark. He writes letter. See, two of the sentence 1 and 2 has only helping verb in the sentence. There is no work going on these sentences, but it is also in present tense. See, in the third and fourth sentence, some work is going on. Bark, bhonkna, writes, likhna. These type of work is going on. So, see here, dogs bark. He writes. Before telling you about this thing, I will tell you some more important information about this tense. Verb has normally three forms. Present form, past form, past participle form. One more form is here, present participle form. Singular form. These all forms is used in making these sentences. Present form. I will take some example. Go. Go is the present form. Its past form is went. Past participle form is gone. Present participle is form going, and the singular form is goes. We will normally use these three forms, and also this form. This form is also only used in present indefinite tense only. How? See. He writes letter. Dog bark. Dogs bark. See, before using the form of verb, we have to keep it into our mind that what is the subject? Is it singular or plural? He is singular, so it takes singular form writes. If I will write all the forms of the verb, write, wrote, written, writing, and writes. So I have used this form, singular form here. So हमें यह ध्यान रखना है कि अगर यह सिंगुलर है तो यहाँ पर सिंगुलर ही फॉर्म लगेगी. See, dogs are many, for plural. So I have used the present form. See, this form, bark, barked, barked, barking, barks. So I have not used this form. Why? Because the subject of the sentence is in plural form. So I have used bark, not the singular form as here I have used. Why I have used here writes? Because the subject of the sentence is in singular form. So you people can easily judge these things. Thank you.